These are the VIS'V coat hooks that have been sent to me. They're a matte black and they have 3 parts to them. They have the 2 bottom hooks as well as the top hook. These have been provided to me for free in exchange for my review. So let's go ahead and unbox these and take a look. So you can see here that each hook comes with a little sticky piece that you can put on the back of them that allows you to stick them to a surface. But I'm going to go ahead and use the screws that are provided, and I'm going to mount them to a board. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at these. So each screw comes with these little circle things that you put on the ends of the screw, and then you can put the little cap on so that it hides the screw so that you don't see the screw when the hook is mounted. So that looks really nice. It's a really clean look. You can see it there. So we'll go ahead and take a look at it when it's on the board. Okay, so I have a board here that I've pre-drilled with some holes, and I'm going to go ahead and install these on this board, and then the board I will install on the wall. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting some of these screws in. And I won't be using the anchor I won't be screwing into wood, so that makes it easier. It would go through the hole there. So let's try that on one of these and see if it works. So I'm going to go ahead and screw that in. Okay, so there's one screw in, and I'm going to go ahead and do the second one there, and we'll screw this one in. Okay, now we're just going to put these little caps on to cover up the screw. Okay, now I'm just going to repeat that step for all 4 of these. Okay, so that looks really good. I like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them, and then I will show you when I'm done. Okay, that looks really good.